Hey, it's your boy Jay Will back with another video. I'm gonna do a quick case study on this product called Diabetes Freedom on Clickbank. Here we go, Diabetes Freedom on average 50 bucks in commission. So we're gonna try to promote this on Microsoft Bing ads. Okay, head over to Microsoft Bing ads, create campaign, get this to my website, search ads. We're gonna do about $100 a day. Diabetes Freedom. Unclick this. Okay. Get the keywords. Keywords match tool. Diabetes Freedom. Freedom. I'm gonna do exact match. I'm gonna do modified broad match. Make keyword list. Select this, copy, paste that in my keywords. Come on. Ad group name, Diabetes Freedom. I spelled it wrong, whatever. Scroll down, bam. Create ad, headlines, we're gonna say Diabetes Freedom. You do something like 75% off today only. Get instant access. And we can come and find a little description over here. Go to Bing. Type in that. You can kind of copy this one. Not a bad description. Over here. So today only. Do 60-day money back guaranteed. Then we're gonna go plug this the web page I made, a quick pre-sale page I threw together for this campaign. Quick little landing page. That's what we're gonna use for this campaign, for this case study. Copy. Put that in the URL. Save. Scroll down. Save and go to next step. I'll be about $4 starting off. Scroll down, add distribution, Bing only, campaign done. All right, I'm gonna let you know the results of this campaign. We're gonna go step by step and go through it. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to start making money online with Clickbank. I only got about 4 clicks to this campaign so far. So out of 4 clicks, I made 1 sale. If you guys have any questions, just leave a comment below. Like, subscribe, comment, and if you want me to do more case studies, I can. It's just a quick little case study I threw together. So just let me know. Have a good day.